In this tutorial, we'll explore how to unnest a nested sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro. Be aware that Premiere Pro does not have an unnest option before we begin. However, we'll walk you through two different ways to unnest your clips. Using the first way, all you have to do is double-click on your nested sequence, select everything, and drag those clips to your original timeline in this manner. Moreover, the nested clips are removable. The second method involves unchecking this, right-clicking on your nested clips, and selecting Reveal End Project. The nested clips will now be automatically unnested for you if you drag them. Additionally, if you neglect to disable this, nested clips will be imported once again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.